Hi, I wanted to show everybody how to make a veggie cap. So what I'm doing is showing you the flume roller, which is frankincense, lemon, oregano, on guard, and melaleuca, which is aka the balm that you can take when you're coming down with something or been exposed to something. So here's your little veggie caps. There's 160 of these in this bottle, and it's only $4, so really handy to have. So I usually put the larger of the two, and I'm wearing my readers because I can't see. So you just want to be very careful and drop one drop of each oil. And I open them ahead of time because it's easier that way, so you're not messing around with the tops trying to fill it up. Here goes the oregano. You want to be really careful with this one because you don't want to get it on the outside because it tastes really bad. Melaleuca. And then you close them up. I usually shake it, although you really don't have to. Take it with a swig of water. And there you go. I would probably follow it up with some food so it's not burping back up on you. And I don't taste it at all because I was careful enough to not get any of the oil on the outside. Okay? Thanks. Bye.